Changing your verification method on American Express can help enhance your account security and ensure you receive important notifications. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength check, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Update verification method. Select the verification method you wish to change. You may have options such as phone number, email, or authentication app. Follow the prompts to enter your new information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your verification method, you may need to confirm the changes through a verification code sent to your new method. Follow the instructions to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on American Express, enhancing your account security.